Today, Robert and I have driven to the Manawatu town of Ashhurst, where, if you'd seen our episode on the new Manawatu Gorge Road, this area will look familiar. But instead of driving over the Manawatu River, we will be parking our car just before driving over the bridge that leads onto the new road. The sign saying Manawatu River Pathway was the lure that brought us here. So come with us to find out what this pathway will be like. I don't know where you are. Oh, there you are. So we're going to go over that new road. And we're going to go off on a ride along there. Cool. Going that way. Okay. Go this way. Under the bridge. The bumps. And here we are. After looking more closely at the map of the track that we're about to ride on, we realise now that we probably should have walked it, as it's only a short 10-minute ride. Unaware that the proposed track for 2014, that would have gone all the way to Palmerston North, hasn't been made yet. It may have been there somewhere, but we couldn't find it. What does that say? No shooting. Something there to look at later on the way back, isn't there? Oh my. Can't be if it's no shooting. The cows. Hello. Little bulls actually. Little juvenile bulls. Hello. Hi. No, it's just rocks. Don't know what that is. There's no writing. Quarry, doesn't it? Now where are we? Is that it? Is that our ride? Oh, ooh, what's that? Something. Exit to Rakawa Road. Does it go any further? Oh. So that was the track. isn't it? Nothing more? Oh, these big trucks are coming. Raukawa Aggregates, there you go. Angler's Access. Oh, what's he doing? So we can't go there. Oh, what a shame. That was it. 10-minute ride back to Ashhurst. Yay. Okay, what's this one say? Oh, Raukawa Pa. Raukawa Pa was important to the early Māori in defending themselves from attacking forces coming through the gorge or crossing the Ruahine Ranges. The chief of the Pa, Hirawanui, refused to leave his Pa site, even when the threat of his Maori settlement was about to collapse into the Manawatu River, as it perched on the cliff edge, finally being abandoned 2 years after Chief Hirawanui died. See, look at this. Got all the different boulders and sands for your landscaping. Marvellous. Pale sand, rocks. Oops, straighten up. Ordinary sand. Little stones. Got it all here. Ouch. Very nice. Water in there. Right. Curious. You coming to say hello? He's trying to get them to come. I'm scared of you, Bobby. Look at the shed. No shooting. And yet it's a mai-mai. Go figure. So it's been provided by the Mackay family, just to show us what it looks like. Cool. But it's no longer in use. Not the best mai-mai in the world, is it? It's nice for the spideys. Okay, anything else of interest? Wakamoka is the man. Chur boy. Jeremy Sim is a fag. What? She hates love. What? I don't know. The way people talk is a mystery. Anyway, this is the mai-mai. The view from the mai-mai for the duck shooters. Once, back in the day. Okay. Oh, what's he doing? Where'd you go? Did you go in this way? Hello? Not sure what that thing is. Heater? Keep them warm? Nope. like a little orchard, doesn't it? Don't know what sort of trees that'd be. Doesn't go far back though. I wonder. Here, it's a lot of it. And it was a little short ride. Not far, was it? Exit to State Highway, what? Exit State Highway 3 in Ashhurst Domain. Back. Over the bridge. It's getting away on me. There he is. Oh, more cars. There we go. Done. Oh, another ride we've finished. We're off for a walk. And look what else is here. A little walking track. Let's have a nosy. No bikes, so we can't go on our bikes. Gotcha. What if we home? It's got traps, okay. Interesting. Let's have a look. Okay, there's a campground, barbecue area and a play zone. So it says. It's not far, so we'll have a look. Have a nosy. Oh, that lovely little flower. That's pretty. I like you, yellow flower. That leads to a tree. I don't like these tracks that have forks in the road. I get lost. This is nice under here, nice and dark. It's got some supplejack. Those sticks. Oh, no, there's a fork in the road. Campground. I'll go this way and hope it's right. Out of my way, supplejack. Oh, why are these numbered? Oh, that had some points of interest and I don't know what it says. No. Number 17. Good number that. Hey Lynn. Me twin. Oh, number 21. That's a good number too, hey? Tansy, Caleb and Jessica. Oh. Very nice. It's got little tree information. Pigeon wood. Okay, to take your word for it. $23. 25. Why are they numbered? No, it's not another fork in the road. No. No. So rather nice. Tail. What have we got? Karamu. Any citrus crushed and dried seeds to make coffee. Birds are attached to the bright berries, are they? Oh, there we go. More signs. I'll go and look at the campground. Oh, awesome Ashhurst Domain. Awesome. Oh, it was uphill. Campground. My dog. Oh. Okay, I got to the, presume it's the domain. Back I go. Back to Robert. Let's go. Ooh. Now those of you who watch our channel will know that I have a lot of incidents where I fall a lot off my bike or off hidden rocks, where I even broke my ankle. Well, recently, on one of our daily walks through Wanganui's Basin Reserve, I skidded down a gentle slope onto my side and crunched my ribs. This is where I slipped. Walk here every day. Consequently, I've been in pain, unable to walk, sleep or ride to my normal ability. All the vibrations hurting my ribs. Ouch. Robert's texting, wondering where I am. I didn't say I'm going on a slow because it's hurting my ribs. I can't walk as fast as normal. I'll tell him when I see him. Bit painful. Here we are, beach. I'm back. Oh, I can't go as fast as normal, Bobby. My better be bruised ribs are hurting me. Better not be broken ribs are a pain. Done. How's that? Let's get home. But I am pleased to say that at the time of making this episode, 3.5 weeks after my fall, I am confident the ribs were only bruised, as I'm feeling so much better now.